Hello Star Wars fans, this is J.A.R. 369. Welcome back for another brand new video review. Well, today I'm going to take a look at the LEGO BrickHeadz Star Wars The Last Jedi 2-pack of Rey and Kylo Ren. So, this is the limited edition collector's pack. Actually, they're not really limited edition collector's pack. They're actually exactly the same thing as the single pack version. And also, I found this at Target on clearance for $5.98. And also originally priced $19.99, which is $20. So, yeah, look at the packaging. Just like you see the image of the characters here. You get the BrickHeadz here, and it's recommended for ages 10 plus, 249 pieces. Building toy, Star Wars Rey 25, Kylo Ren 26. Yeah, not much here. There's the characters of Kylo and Rey. On the back, you got the background of the figure, and also the character you put. Star Wars logo, Disney logo. You can visit at www.lego.com/BrickHeadz. So, if you guys don't know what BrickHeadz is, it's basically like those. Like, let me bring in, for example, for these guys. These are Funko Pops. I have Captain Jack Harkness with me in case doing a size comparison at the end of the video. If you guys want to see a review of this guy, click on the eye icon on the top here. So yeah. Now let's release both of them out of the box. So got my X-Acto knife here. Don't play with these knives, kids. They're dangerous. Let me just... Hold on, let me do this off camera. There we go. Alright. Okay, so... Oh, wow. Hold on, let me just throw that in the trash. You get a... What is this? A poster? Oh, yes, it's a poster. Yes, you get a poster from the 2-pack. That looks really cool. It's just coming 2018. I have no idea what it is going to be. Probably just newer LEGO BrickHeadz. Here's back 1. I guess that's Rey. Back 2, it's Kylo Ren. So yeah, it came with 2 instructions. I mean, there's one for Rey, and there's one for, who is this for? Kylo. So I'm about to be right back and start building this set with the time-lapse slow, or time-lapse, whatever, the time-lapse show. Here we got Rey all built, so look at this minifigure or whatever. I mean, you can see some weirded eyes looking. There's no mouth on her. You can see the top here. I mean, you can see like the robes around her. You can see like the belt on her. I mean, the hairstyle looks really weird. I mean, it looks kind of weird. Looks like this. I mean, it looks... There's also a rope on behind her here. I mean, yeah. I mean, the hair looks pretty well done. I mean, it looks really good. And also, you can see the Lego studs here. I mean, you can see the stand she's on it. It says Series 2. So, yeah. I mean, this Rey figure looks really cool. I mean, it looks really great. So that's about it for Rey. Alright, so here we got Kylo Ren all built. So look at this figurine, looks really great. I mean, you can see the scar on here, on this eye area there. I mean, there's some nice details on this. You can see like the clothing's here. You can see his belt thingy, belt buckle here. I mean, the lightsaber is like a double cross it here. A triple like cross or something. I have no idea. I mean, the stand is basically the same as the Rey. I mean, it looks really cool. I mean, yeah, it looks really good. I mean, the BrickHeadz look okay. I mean, they're not perfect. They're not good. I mean, they're just okay. So if you now let me pose them for the spoiler alert for the towards the end, the final battle where Kylo kills Snoke and then start battling the royal guards and something like that. Yeah. Now, for size comparison, here they are next to a Funko Pop. So here we got Jack Harkness here. I mean, I said one of the pops are basically taller than the Lego BrickHeadz. I mean, so yeah, overall, these are pretty cool Lego minifigurines or something. I mean, they look pretty cool. So yeah, I highly recommend getting the 2-pack because they're $5. So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for new videos daily. Also, turn on the bell icon after you subscribe to notify new videos. And also follow me on Instagram at J.A.R. 369. You know my account on the end credits. And also follow me on Twitter at J.A.R. 3691. The link will be in the description down below. So yeah, have a good day and goodbye.